friends. Wonderful to see you. I am Caroline from the Khan Academy Kids team. Welcome to Circle Time. I am here today with my friend Sophie. Hi, Sophie.
Hi, Caroline. Hi, friends. I am so excited to be here for Circle Time today. I've heard we're going to do something really fun and maybe a little bit slimy.
We are. And first, we will start with our book about slime. Let me take out my book.
Okay.
And we're going to read So Slimy by Cynthia Platt.
Wow.
Cody and Peck were looking for something to do. Want to make slime, Cody suggested. Let's make it from scratch, said Peck. Sweet, Cody replied. Cody and Peck gathered the ingredients and snagged a big bowl from the cabinet. Are you ready for some slippery slime? Peck asked. I can't wait, Cody told him. This is going to be great. They quickly discovered slime was messy. The glue sloshed out of the bowl and then stuck to everything. It's getting everywhere, Cody said. That's okay. We can scrape it off later, Peck replied. Look at all that slime.
Oh, it's everywhere. And I can see one of the ingredients is glue, which means things would be sticking together and it would be so gluey.
That's right. Let's add food coloring now, Peck chirped. The food coloring splattered all over the place. Now glitter, Cody exclaimed. It was a huge mess. What do you think they're going to have to do, friends?
Well, I think they'll have to clean up eventually. But the good thing about all of this is their slime, it won't just be green or blue or a plain color. It'll be sparkly and glittery. And it looks like they're putting purple and orange and green in there.
Mm-hmm. Finally, the slime was done and they went outside to play with it. It slid through their fingers and made a silly slurping sound. The slime slithered down Peck's slide. It stretched out between Cody and Peck until it snapped. Cody and Peck played until they were tired and hungry. Let's go get a snack, Peck told Cody. But when they got to the kitchen, Cody slipped on some slime on the floor. Peck flew into some that was still swinging from the light. Oh, how do they look now?
Oh, they look a little bit sad and a little bit worried because they forgot to clean up inside and they slipped on the slime.
Mm-hmm.
And it looks like Peck is covered in the slime. Let's see what they do about that.
Yes. I forgot what a mess we made, Peck told Cody. We need to clean up. Together, they swept the floor and scrubbed the kitchen. Phew, that was hard work, Cody yawned. The kitchen looks great. Now, let's have our snack, Peck replied. Once they were done eating, Peck had an idea. Want to make more slime, he asked. But Cody didn't answer. She had gone to sleep. That was hard work to clean up.
Yeah. That sometimes happens when you've been playing a game and then you clean up your game and then you have a snack. Then you're so worn out that you need to have a little nap.
That's right. Should we do some activities?
Yeah.
And this is the word slime. It starts with an S and an L, which together blend to make the sound sl. Can you say that in slime? Sl. The word slime. This is the word slide. Also starts with an S and an L. Slide. The slime slithered down the slide. Can you find that word slide again?
Slide. Great. That's the word slide.
And this is the word slippery. It was very slippery.
Oh.
The slime was slippery. Can you find the word slippery, friends, in this sentence?
Slippery. Super. That's the word slippery.
And now we're going to make a word. Blank, eep. Swap. Eep, sweep, or sleep. Should we try that one?
Cool beans. You spelled sleep. That's the word sleep.
That was super! And now we have a very special show and tell. Our friends, Teacher Emily and her helpers, Jagger and Sadie, are going to show us how to make real slime.
Wow, let's all say hi, Teacher Emily. Hi, Jagger. Hi, Sadie. Thank you for showing us how to make slime.
Hi, Caroline. I have my helpers, Jagger and Sadie, here, and today we're going to show you how to make slime.
The materials you will need is 1 cup of glue, 1 cup of warm water, 1 teaspoon of borax, and anything you would like to add to the slime, like glitter or food coloring.
The first step is to take a spoon full of borax and put it in the warm water and then mix it up.
Next, you will pour your cup of glue into your bowl, and then you will add your food coloring and glitter.
Then you'll slowly add the borax mixture to the glue, about a spoonful at a time, and then stir it on up.
It's like a chef making macaroni. It's like yogurt. Oh my goodness.
Oh, yes.
It's slime!
After mixing it more with your hands, you'll have your finished slime. Ooh, let's see your slime.
This is the slime we made. It's so sparkly.
What does it feel like?
It feels like glue. It feels like dried up glue. Look at the sparkles, guys. And then you could stretch and stretch. Grab the other side and then pull it up. And then ta-da!
Thanks for making slime with us today. Bye.
Bye!
Thank you so much, Teacher Emily and Jagger and Sadie, for teaching us how to make slime. Friends, maybe you can try this too now at home. Do you want to do that today?
Yeah, I think friends are nodding. They'll be making slime. They'll be pretending they've made slime with imaginary slime if they can't quite make it today. I think you could be drawing slime. You could even draw a slime adventure. That sounds like so much fun. I really loved this slime story today.
I did too. Thank you, friends, for joining us. And goodbye for now from Caroline, Sophie, and the Khan Academy Kids team. We'll see you next time.
Bye, friends.
Bye-bye.
Bye for now.